Good morning everyone. This is Murali Krishna Senapati again to teach you about the graph traversal method, that is on breadth first search. So in the breadth first search traversal method, actually we take the help of queue concept to traverse all the nodes. We were already seen the depth first search traversal method in the last class. So during that time you can recall that this is a particular graph I have taken as an example, where we have found the adjacency table, and during traversing with the help of stack we have identified every node with certain state. There are three different states are possible, that is ready state, waiting state and process state. Ready state is the initial state of every node. When waiting state comes, when a node is already waiting in the stack. Then process state says when a node is taken out from the stack and it is already processed. So this is required to know whether the node is initial state or waiting in a stack or already processed. That information we can get from this. So this we have implemented using stack in the depth first search. Now the same thing we will implement in using breadth first search using queue concept. Now let us see that algorithm. Now in the breadth first search, you can see that same concept, except the stack, instead of stack we have taken the queue. You can observe here what we are doing. Initially all the nodes are in ready state. Okay, initialize all the nodes to ready state 1, that is initial state. Then consider a node as a first node and insert into queue. So here I have considered the node A as the first node and inserted. As because that node is inserted into queue, then change the state of that particular node to waiting state, because it will be waiting in the queue. So after that we will start with the loop control while queue is not empty. So this process I can explain on a screen. Now here we can observe that, say this is a graph. Here what we do, the first job, initialize all the nodes to ready state. So all the nodes we are maintaining the ready state, that is 1. Okay. Then what you are doing, second step, consider the first node and insert into the queue. I have taken this is the queue for this particular graph. Okay, and this is the adjacency table, where for each node what are the adjacent node, that list we have maintained. This will help you to find the adjacent node of a particular node which is processed. Now here what we have done, first job, initialize all the nodes to ready state, that is 1. Now consider a node, okay, as first node, insert into queue. Now here I am considering node A as the first node, okay, and inserting into the queue. So this node I am inserting into the queue. So node A is inserted. So once it is inserted, change the state of the node A into waiting state, that is 2. So now it is waiting in the queue. Now we will start with the loop control while queue is not empty. Definitely at this instance queue is not empty because one node is present there. While queue is not empty, what you will be doing, just let us see the algorithm again. So while queue is not empty, you can read, say x equal to delete a node from the front. Okay, delete the front node and process it, means delete a node from the front, let us say that is x. Okay, then process that particular node. Okay, set the state of x, okay, into process state. Okay, so process that x and change its state to process state, that is 3. Okay, so what we will be doing is, you can observe, delete a node from the queue, that node A you remove from that particular queue and process it. And after that change the state of the node A into process state. Process state is 3. So now the node A is processed. Now what is the next step to be executed? Observe. Now step number 4.3 you can see, for all the neighbor or all the adjacent node, let us say the node is y of node x, which are in ready state, insert them into queue and just change the state of it into waiting state. I mean to say that for every adjacent node which are in ready state, insert into queue and change its state to waiting state. So now find out the adjacent node in this particular graph. The node is just now processed. What are the adjacent of A? Adjacent of A is B and C. You can observe in the graph also B and C. Now these two nodes are adjacent. When they are adjacent, check their state. That state is, if it is in ready state, then only we will insert. So now at this initially B and C, their state is ready state only, so that will be inserted into the queue. So node A is already processed. Now node B and C is inserted into the queue. Then what is the next job? Change its state to 2, that is waiting state. Okay. Now the same while loop will be repeated. While queue is not empty, process, remove a node from the queue and process it. While queue is not empty, now queue is not empty, remove the node B and process it. Now node B is processed. As because it is processed, change its status to process state. Okay. Now what is the adjacents of node B? Adjacents of node B is, now you can observe D and E. Here also you can see for B is D and E. So these two adjacent nodes. For these two adjacent node which are in ready state, this is ready state, this is also ready state. Okay. So those nodes which are in ready state, that will be inserted into the queue. Let us insert, say D and E is inserted into the queue. Done. Again, while queue is now not empty, remove a node from the queue. Okay. Wait. So now DE, as because it is inserted, change its state of, or D is waiting state and E is also waiting state. Every node, whenever we are inserting into the queue, change their state to waiting state. They are waiting in the queue. Now while queue is not empty, now remove a node, that is C, and process it. Remove the node C and process it. Once it is processed, change its state to process state. Then node C adjacents. Node C adjacents are D and F. D and F, these two node C adjacent. Now node D, it is already waiting. F, which is in ready state. So for all adjacents which are in ready state, that has to be inserted. So this is not ready state, whereas F is in ready state because its state is 1. So F will be inserted into the queue. After inserting, change its state to waiting state. Okay. Now while queue is not empty, again repeat the same job. D and process the node. Its adjacents are E, F, A. Its adjacents are E, F and A. So A is already processed, F is already waiting, E is already waiting state. So no node is there which are in ready state, so nothing will be inserted. Now take out the next node E, okay, and process it. E is processed, so change its state to 3. Then adjacents of E is, you can observe, that is G. So adjacent is G. G is in ready state, so let us insert, okay, and change its state to waiting. Now take out the next node F and process it. Then its adjacent again G, which is already waiting, so nothing to do. Take out the next node G and process. Okay, process means its process is changed. Its adjacent is D, which is already processed, so nothing to insert. Now if you will try to take out, queue is empty. When the queue is empty, this is a sequence of nodes we found which is already processed. So in this manner, we can traverse all the nodes from this particular graph with the help of queue. Okay, you can repeatedly see this. So here this is the job we are doing. Okay, we are deleting a node from the queue. Okay, change its state to, and we are deleting a node from the queue and processing it. Change its state to process state. Then all the adjacent node of that particular deleted node we are finding which are in ready state, that we are inserting into the queue. This is the job we are doing repeatedly for each node which is processed. Okay, I hope all of you have understood. Thank you very much for patient listening.